Hello my dear students, this is your accounts class. We have started last week retirement of a partner chapter. Death is a separate portion and retirement is separate portion in this chapter. We have completed the topic retirement of a partner. So today we will revise the chapter by solving the question of full-fledged question of this topic. Okay, let's start. Now open your book. देखिए your book is there. Illustration 50. In your book, illustration 50 is there. This one, open your book. Pihu, Geeta and Neeta. This question is there. We will solve this question. But adjustment of capital and balance sheet. Now these two topics are not in syllabus. We will leave these two topics from this question. Remaining question we will solve. Okay. Pihu, Geeta and Neeta are partner. Write the details which are given to you in the question. First of all, example number 50, illustration 50. Pihu, Geeta and Neeta. These are the three partners and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. On 31st March 2015, balance sheet is given to you. What thing you have to see in the balance sheet? Goodwill in asset side. Is it given or not? Accumulate losses on asset side. Is there any? Accumulate losses in asset side is given or not? And accumulate profit in liability side is given or not. So these three things you will see that goodwill, accumulate profit and accumulate losses are given in the question or not. So in this question, in liability side, journal reserve is given. This is accumulate loss. No goodwill and no accumulate loss is given in the asset side. So we will distribute that journal reserve through the partner's capital account in this old ratio. This is old ratio. Neeta retire on 1st April 2015. Neeta is retiring. Subject to the following adjustment. Which adjustment we have to done at the time of retirements? Given that land and building be reduced, goodwill valuation, new goodwill. This is valuation of goodwill at the time of retirement that we will give to the Neeta by Pihu and Geeta in gaining ratio. Now, what things I want to tell, why I have choose this question, that provision for doubtful debt to be raised to 10% of the debtor. The excess provision being created from journal reserve. We have to make the provision equal to the 10% of the debtor. Now see the question, how much debtors are given? 25,000. 10% of 25,000 is 2,500. Now we want to make the new provision by 2,500. Raise 2. 2 is 2. 2 मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था. If 2 is given, then it means that new provision we want this. Okay? And already we are having provision 1,300. We are having this old provision. Now we have to make 1,200 provision. New provision we want to make. If nothing is mentioned, then we will charge this 1,200 from the revaluation account by putting it debit side because it is loss of business. But in question it's given that excess provision being created from journal reserve. ये जो 1,200 हमें लेना है, that we will take from the journal reserve. So we will not distribute the whole journal reserve. We will take 1,200 from journal reserve. Then remaining journal reserve we will distribute to the partner. And the balance of the journal reserve distribute among the partner. This is mentioned. अगर ये mention ना भी होता, then also we will distribute. Creditor of 3,000 were paid by Pihu. Pihu ने creditors की payment कर दी. Any liability given by partner, paid by partner, then it will be showing the credit side of capital account. If any partner take over the assets, then we will write on the debit side because firm will take money from that partner. Now Pihu is paying the liability, then firm will give money to the Pihu by his capital account. And continue partner to share profit and loss in future in the ratio of 5:4. That Pihu and Geeta new ratio is 5:4. Okay, it's given that Pihu and Geeta, that new ratio is 5:4. Now next, Neeta is to pay 29,800 on retirement and remaining amount in 2 equal annual installment together with interest at the rate of 10%. This topic is also deleted from the your new syllabus in the 2020, that retiring partner loan account, that has deleted. Okay, we have to make only revolution account and partners capital account. Okay, now make the revolution account. And partners capital account. You will make the capital account of all these 3 partners: Pihu, Geeta, Neeta. Fine, I have made the form of these 2 accounts. Now one by one we will write the entries in these 2 accounts. Revaluation account, creditors are decreasing because that Pihu, it's given in the question that Pihu, creditor of 3,000 were paid by Pihu for which she is not to be reimbursed. इसके लिए पीहू को पेमेंट नहीं की जाएगी. सो वी विल दिस अमाउंट वी विल नॉट राइट इन द पीहूज कैपिटल अकाउंट. अगर पीहू पेमेंट कर रहा है क्रेडिटर्स की एंड नथिंग इज मेंशन, देन फर्म विल पे. बट नाउ इट्स क्लियरली मेंशन इन द क्वेश्चन दैट फर्म विल नॉट रिइंबर्स, इसको पेमेंट वापस नहीं करेगी ऑफ 3,000 दैट पीहू इज पेइंग. सो दिस इज बेनिफिट फॉर द फर्म, profit for the firm. Then we will write this in the revaluation account that creditors are decreasing of amount 3,000. And one thing is given that land and building to be reduced by 10%. Land and building कम करनी है, then it will be loss for the firm. Then we will write in the debit side of revaluation account to land and building how much amount? By 10%. 1,20,000 is there and 10% of 1,20,000 it's 12,000. Now provision we have to excess provision we will take from the general reserve. We will not write this 1,200 in the revaluation account. If this is not mentioned, then we will write here in debit side to provision for doubtful debt 1,200. Now in this question we will not write this, we will take from the general reserve. Okay, now nothing, no any another entry of revaluation account. That loss of 9,000, debit side is more than credit side, then there is loss of revaluation account. What you will write? By loss transferred to capital account, Pihu, Geeta and Neeta. In which ratio? 3:1. Total of 3:1 is 6. 6 divide the 9,000 by 6. It will come 1,500. Then 1,500 multiply by 3. It will come 4,500. Do the calculation fast. and correct. Both things you need. Now make the capital account. First of all, you will write the balance brought down, that is given in the balance sheet. 79,000, 70,000 and 61,000. After that, revaluation loss. Revaluation loss is transferred to the debit side of capital account. All the losses will come in debit side and all the profits will come in the credit side of partner's capital account that we want to distribute to the partner. To revaluation account. How much amount? This one 4,500, 3,000 and 1,500. Fine. Now next is journal reserve. Journal reserve is given in the question. How much? 9,000. But 1,200 we will transfer to the provision for doubtful debts. 9,000 में से 1,200 less कर दो, then it will come 7,800 we will distribute to the all the partners in old ratio. Then journal reserve we will distribute by journal reserve 7,800 in the ratio of 3:1. 6 से divide करेंगे, it will come 1,300. Then 1,300 multiply by 3, 3,900, 2,600 and 1,300. Fine. Now which entry is remaining? About the goodwill. Goodwill is valued at 54,000. Total goodwill valuation is 54,000. But we will pay to Nita. Nita's share is 1/6. It will come 9,000. Then we will give 9,000 goodwill to Nita. In which ratio? Gaining ratio. In this question, new ratio is given 5:4 and old ratio is given 3:2:1. Then we will calculate the gaining ratio by old share minus new share. You have to find out this gaining ratio. Pihu and Geeta. Only you will keep one formula, that old share minus new share. If plus will amount will come in plus, that figure will come in plus, then sacrifice, and minus, then gain. Old minus new. Old share of Pihu 3/6, Geeta 2/6, new share 5/9, and here 4/9. This one new share is given to you. Okay. Now deduct this. So we will take LCM for deducting this. LCM it will come 18. Here also 18. 18 दोनों के टेबल में आता है. So do your calculation fast again and again. I am saying, and it will increase by your practice. So do practice as much as you can. Okay. 18 को 6 से divide करेंगे 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 minus 10, it will come minus 1/18. 3 2s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Minus 2/18. Now it is in minus, so it means it's gaining. Both are gaining in the ratio of 1:2. So gaining ratio, you will take ratio, not share 1/18, 2/18. You will make the gaining ratio from gaining share. It's 1:2. This is gaining ratio. Now goodwill is 9,000. That will take from Pihu and Geeta in the ratio of 1:2. So 9,000 का 1/3. How much it will come? 3,000. That Pihu will give, and remaining 6,000 that Geeta will give. So Pihu से हमने लेना है, then we will write this amount in the debit side of capital account of Pihu and Geeta. इनसे लेकर किसको देना है? नीता को. तो what you will write? To Nita's capital account. 3,000 here and 6,000 here. Okay, and to नीता को हमने देना है from whom? Capital account we will take Pihu and Geeta. We will not give cash. Don't write here buy goodwill or buy cash. Students often mistake, क्या mistake करते हैं? They will write here buy goodwill. Goodwill नहीं लिखना है, buy cash भी नहीं लिखना है. From whom we are taking? We are only transferring the amount of goodwill from Pihu's and Geeta's capital account to the Nita's capital account. एक के कैपिटल अकाउंट से निकालकर हमने दूसरे के कैपिटल अकाउंट में मनी ट्रांसफर करनी है ओनली. ओके, देन बट यू विल राइट हियर बाय Pihu's capital account 3,000 and by Geeta's capital account 6,000. Nothing will come in the Pihu and Geeta. इनको नहीं देना ना, then we will write. अगर देना किसको है? नीता को. So it will come in the credit side of Nita and debit side of Pihu and Geeta because इन दोनों से हमें मनी लेकर ट्रांसफर करनी है Nita's capital account. Got it? Only this entry you have to practice so much that how we will transfer the amount of goodwill in the retiring partner capital account by taking the money from remaining partner's capital account in gaining ratio. Fine. Now we will make payment to the retiring partner. It's given in the question that firm is paying to Nita 29,800. So to cash account. If in balance sheet bank balance is given, then you should write bank account. Okay. If cash balance is given, then you will write cash account. 29,800. And remaining we will transfer to the Nita's loan account. Only we will transfer the amount loan account. We will not make the loan account because it is deleted from the syllabus. So it will come 40,000 balance. How you will calculate the amount of loan account? Do the total of this side. 61,000, 1,300, 3,000 and 6,000. 10,000. It's come 10,000, 71,300. Deduct the 1,500 and 29,800. Total of this from 71,300. That balance is 40,000 that we will transfer to the Nita's loan account. Now we will close the capital account of Pihu and Geeta. Do the total of this. It will come 82,900. Put two lines. Don't forget to put two lines after closing the account. Now deduct 4,500, 3,000, 7,500 from 82,900. Now what will come? Balance carried down of Pihu and Geeta. That it will come balancing मतलब difference of both side. It is known as balance CD. Now after writing the balance CD, write down the total again. Now total of both side will be equal. Put two lines after writing the total. Okay. So this is the revolution account and partners capital account. You have to show all these calculation at the end of question or starting of the question. Of at side you can make the line right here working notes. You will not do all these calculation in rough. You will show all this calculation in the question by giving the heading working notes. Okay. After that, now we will do one more question. Example number 52. In your book, example number 52, Pawan, Qadir and Ram. Open your book. Read out this question. Yes, students. Example number 52. The balance sheet is given in the question that Pawan, Poetir and Ram who were sharing in the profit in the proportionate of their capital. Ratio is not given. They are sharing profit in the ratio of their capital. Capital is given that 30,000, 30,000 and 15,000. Now we will make ratio from this. It will come, cut it at their lowest up to the lowest form 2 to 1. So their profit sharing ratio is 2:2:1. Okay, we will make, I will tell you only revaluation account, capital account is same because this video is going to be lengthy so much, so it will be difficult to download so much lengthy video. About the revaluation account, what is given in the question? First adjustment is given, quarter is retiring, second partner that is retiring, that out of amount of insurance which was debited entirely to the profit and loss account 4320 be carried forward as unexpired insurance. What is unexpired insurance? Unexpired insurance means prepaid insurance. That prepaid insurance we have to transfer out of paid insurance to the prepaid insurance, that is assets of the business. So assets are increasing, so profit is there. Then we will write in the credit side by unexpired insurance and amount is 4320. Fine. Nothing you will do in profit and loss account. Profit and loss account balance भी दिया हुआ है आपको 6,000, वो कुछ नहीं करना है. All the amount of 6,000 you will transfer to the credit side of capital account. Sorry, debit side of capital account. Assets side में profit and loss account का balance दिया हुआ है. It means loss is there. If profit and loss account balance is given at the liability side, it means that is profit. Okay, so this is loss is there. Of the previous year, undistributed loss is there, that we will distribute through the capital account by writing at the debit side in old ratio 2:1. So next amount of revaluation, that land and building be appreciated by 20%. Appreciated मतलब increase करना है. Then there will be increase in assets, again profit by land and building. Count land and building, how much is given? 50,000 and 20% of 50,000, it will come 10,000. Now next is an amount of rupees 10,000 included in the debtors to be written off as it is no longer receivable. What is the meaning of this? जो money हमें debtors से receive नहीं होते, that is known as bad debts. So bad debts are the loss of the business because our debtors are decreasing due to the bad debts. So this we will write in the debit side of revaluation account, but we will not write 10,000. Why? Because we have provision, already we have made the provision of 2,000. See in balance sheet, in asset side it's given that debtors were 40,000 and we have made the provision for doubtful debt 2,000. 2,000 already we are having for the bad debts. Now we are loss, how much loss is there to the business? 8,000 we have to recover from the revaluation account. Okay, so what you will write? To bad debts or debtors you can write 8,000. Okay, now there is no provision. Provision will be transferred to the bad debts account. So next is provision for doubtful debt be maintained at the existing rate. One thing more is given, that जो old provision था 2,000 that we have used, वो हमने use कर लिया for the balance sheet. Now again new provision we have to make. So that new provision we will make from the revaluation account. Now again loss is there, that we will write to provision for doubtful debt. उसके लिए हमें और प्रोविजन बनाना है एट द एग्जिस्टिंग रेट, जो रेट पहले थी. तो पहले जब 40,000 था तो हमने 2000 प्रोविजन बनाया हुआ था. That rate how much? 5% rate was there. कि 40,000 का अगर हम 5% करते हैं, then it will come 2,000. It means previously we have made the provision at the rate of 5%. Now again we have to make the provision at the rate of 5%. But provision is made on the debtors. So debtors were 40,000. 10,000 are bad debts. 2,000 from provision से हमने ट्रांसफर किया and 8,000 we have taken from the revaluation account. 10,000 bad debts we will deduct from the debtors. Now 30,000 debtors are there. We have to make 5% on this 30,000. It will come 1,500. So we will make the provision now amount of 1,500. That amount we will write in the revaluation account. Got it? Now next is machinery we depreciated by 10%. Machinery की value हमें depreciate, it means कम हो रही है. Then again loss is there that we will write in the debit side to machinery account. So machinery old value is given in the balance sheet 8,200. 10% of this it will come 820. Now next is that goodwill of the firm is valued at 18,000. That we will calculate the share of retiring partner and give to the retiring partner by the remaining partner in gaining ratio. That same we have done in the previous question. So this thing only revaluation I want to tell about the provision for doubtful debts. Very important term is there, that how you will deal with the bad debts when already we are having provision and new provision also we want to make. So do practice. If any doubt will come, then you can ask me again in doubt class. Okay, now you will calculate the profit or loss of revaluation account. Do total of this and this both side. Now it will come 14,320 and deduct this, it will come 4,000. Credit side is more, so this is profit. What you will write? To profit transfer to capital account of Pawan, Kvatit and Ram. In which ratio? 2 to 1. Total of this 5. 5 से इसको divide करो 800. Then multiply by 2. 1600, 1600 and 800. Do total again and put 2 lines. It means accounts are closed and it should be equal. Okay, so this is a revaluation account and capital account. You will make as a homework. Complete this question. Question number 52, 55, not 55, it's only loan account is here. 56. Leave the topic of capital adjustment. Only make revaluation account and partners capital account and do the journal entries also. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you that question in which we have to make the journal entries. Okay. Fine. So you will do this question. One is there. Question number 59. Revaluation account, another name is profit and loss adjustment account also. Okay, if it's question that make the profit and loss adjustment account, then it means revaluation account. Fine. So question number 59. And that 52 and 53. Okay, 52, 53 and 59. These 3 questions you will do and send to me tomorrow before your class. Okay, fine. Thank you. Have a nice